Amanda. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm here to share a lovely box of goodies that was sent to me by one of my followers, Christine. And she sent me this quite a while back, and I filmed it, and I tried several times to upload the video, and the file was corrupted, so I'm filming it again. Christine does have a Etsy shop. She's just a small seller, just sells a few bits and bobs, so I'm going to leave a link to that in the description box below. So go and check her out. It's always nice to help smaller sellers where you can. So the first thing in this box, I have looked through it before, because like I said, I've filmed it previously, and I had a nightmare with it. So she sent me these lovely, like, I don't know what they are, whether she's cut these out. It's like organza, I suppose. To me, they look like things that you'd make, you know, put in poses, floral poses, but I'm not sure. Maybe Christine can leave a comment and let me know. But it's lovely sheer fabric, so that will, you know, come in useful for something. Could layer that on a journal cover, or I will certainly think of something. So there will go my crafty hoard. Then she sent me some pages of digital. So she's got a few digitals on her shop, and these are like months of the year, and they're ever so pretty and dainty. So those are really lovely. So super useful notes for throughout the year. So yeah, go and have a look what she does. She sent me a lovely handmade card with a message in. And then she sent me some lovely flowers, which I'm super grateful for, because I literally don't have any paper flowers. I used to have loads, and then, you know, my crafty style kind of changed, and I stopped using them as much, so I didn't replenish my stocks. But sometimes, you know, when I'm making something, I just think, oh, I could do with some paper flowers. So this is kind of like restocked me. So I'm ever so grateful. The beautiful quality. She does sell some of these as well, so go and have a look. I've got these little organza rosebuds and some satin rolled roses and some leaves. Always come in handy. And I love these, and these two-tone ones. And they're good quality. Mulberry paper flowers as well. You know, they're not those rubbish ones that just squash. For want of a better word, they're lovely. And some more satin rolled roses there with like organza and satins. Those are really pretty. And we've got some red ones. Beautiful. And then some of her crocheted items. So she hand crochets these, and she sent me absolutely heaps in all different sizes and colours. We've got some lemon flowers here with little pearls. I love these. These are a little bit daintier with rhinestones in the middle. And then we've got some hearts. Those are gorgeous, and she sent me loads. I've got some beaded sprays. I've not had any of these in years. Beaded sprays and crystal sprays. And then here we've got what I call baby's breath, which are the little organza and satin flowers with the beaded spray coming out. Used to use these loads when I did shabby chic crafting about, I don't know, 10 years ago. And I've not had any in ages, so thank you. I will be hoarding those. Some lovely pink ones, which they'll just lovely. And then some more of these lovely dainty crocheted flowers. Trying not to get the glare. And some lovely butterflies, and the crocheted wool that she's used, or crochet thread, however you call it, is so soft and pretty. So those are lovely, and I've got like this sage green and this pink. And then she sent me some handmade doilies. I've made books out of these before. If you go look through some of my older videos a long time ago, I've made like journals out of doilies. Yeah, so you just, you know, you use these as your pages, and they make beautiful, beautiful little fabric books. Not made one of those in years. And then some more of these lovely crochet flowers in 2 different sizes. All sorts of colours, so she's got, you know, a wide variety of colour palettes. Because not everybody likes, you know, boring plain cream and white. Some people like a little bit of colour in their life. I love these. These are really, really tiny and dainty. I really like those. Beautiful. And then she sent me, and now this bag has come open, so I'm not going to tip it all out, but loads of like beads and charms and things like that. So they always come in useful for journal dangles, and, you know, for adding on your journal dangles. And then she sent me some lovely ribbon. I use ribbon a lot in my journal making as closures. So I've got some organza and then some lovely white satin. Now I love white ribbon, and here's a tip. Instead of buying loads of different colours that you're never going to get through, just buy white and then colour it what colour you want. Okay, you can use your inks, you can use your alcohol markers, whatever. And you can dye it whatever colour you want. I've got a lovely cream one there. I don't have any cream ribbon, so that's nice. And then a lovely silver grey one. So that's really kind of her. And then some little like journaling cards. So I just wanted to come and share that, mainly to show my appreciation to Christine, to give her a little shout out and share a link to her Etsy shop, because it's awfully difficult to get going on Etsy. Unless you're one of these larger sellers that can afford, you know, they pay, you know, the larger shops that we all know and love, like journal making shops that are very popular, they pay extra. They pay extra for Google, AdSense and all sorts of stuff, so that their shops go higher up in the rankings and you view them first. And then smaller sellers can quite often, unless you know they're there, they can go by the wayside. And they're the little hidden gems, aren't they? And they're the ones who really, really do need our support. So, there is my lovely little stash that I got from the lovely Christine. I can put it away now I've filmed it. So, apologies to Christine for the delay in filming this. Like I say, I was trying desperately to upload the one I'd already done. You know, with my initial first reaction, but it just wasn't having it. But there we go. So I'm going to go and find a home for all of this now. So thank you so much. It's very, very kind and thoughtful when somebody shares crafty goods with me. And I'll always come and share that so that they can see how grateful I am. So there we go. How lucky am I? I have to go and find a home for it. Go and find a home for it all and put it away neat and tidy, because I'm all about tidy. If I don't keep tidy, I descend into chaos. So thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.